Hi guys, it's Superstar back with another video, and for today's video I will be doing my nails as the American flag since 4th of July is coming up. So I already started off with the blue nails and waited for it to dry. Now that they are officially dry, I can add the stars. So I'm going to use the white nail polish and I'm going to add tiny little dots. In each nail. And you have to press softly when you're doing it, because when you press hard, it will come out like that, or very thick. Let's wait for these to dry. And let's continue with the other nails. For the other one, it's going to be a little tricky. I'm going to be doing stripes. Red and white stripes. So first thing I'm going to start with is the white stripes. I have to coat it white first. And it does get a little messy, but you could clean up your nails later with nail removal. Now we're going to add some stripes with the red nail polish. So, first start off with the top. And you have to be very gentle so it comes out as a straight line. Hard to do the last part of the finger. And now we're done. This is the finished result. Rate my nails from 1 to 10, and if you would like to book an appointment with me, make sure to contact me on Instagram. The link is in my bio of my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like these if you actually want to do these yourself at home. And Word of advice coming from an artist, it's okay to make mistakes.